Welcome back to Enchanting Endeavors. Today I'm bringing together a medley of colorful veggies and hearty mushrooms wrapped in creamy white sauce. So let's get started. I'm starting off with some fresh broccoli, just roughly chopping it, not too small, so it holds a nice bite after cooking. Next, I grabbed some vibrant red bell pepper. Adds a lovely sweetness and a pop of color to the dish. Now for the carrots, I used two whole ones. First, I peeled them, then sliced them into thick, round pieces. They add a beautiful crunch and a natural sweetness. Then came one big white onion, chopped into thick pieces. Also took half a garlic bulb and chopped the cloves into small pieces. Garlic always brings that irresistible aroma and warmth to any creamy dish. Now let's move on to the mushrooms. After opening them, I drop them straight into the bowl of water and wash them thoroughly. After a good rinse, I peel a thin layer from the mushroom caps. It gives a cleaner and smoother look. Then I cut each one into 2 to 3 pieces. Now it's time to get our white sauce ready, the heart of this dish. Take a pan and warm up some butter until it melts and starts to bubble gently. Now add the grated garlic to the melted butter and shallow roast it until fragrant. In a glass, take some water and add 2 spoonfuls of flour. Mix it well until smooth. This will help thicken our white sauce perfectly. Pour the mixture into the pan with butter and garlic, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Keep the heat low and gentle. Once it starts to thicken, slowly add some milk to create that smooth, creamy texture. After stirring for a while, add some salt to taste. Then in goes a pinch of red chili flakes or red chili powder and a dash of oregano for that herby aroma. The sauce is starting to come alive now. Now for the creamy finish. I add in some cheese. I used a slice of cheddar, letting it melt slowly into the sauce for that rich, velvety texture. Now let's deal with the veggies. In a separate pan, heat a little oil and toss in a few garlic pieces first, just to infuse the oil. Then I start by adding the carrots and the broccoli, giving them a head start. After a few minutes of sauteing, in go the red bell peppers and chunky onions. After a while of sauteing, once the onion turns nice and translucent, it's time to take the veggies off the heat. They are cooked just right, still vibrant with a slight crunch. In the same pan, add a little more oil and toss in all the mushrooms. In just a short while, they begin to brown and release their water. That's when you know the mushrooms are done. Now it's time to bring everything together. Slowly add all the sauteed veggies into the white sauce, followed by the perfectly cooked mushrooms. Then gently stir, letting all the colors, textures, and flavors blend into one creamy, delicious harmony. Let everything simmer together on low heat for a few more minutes, just to let the flavors settle in. And finally, dash off freshly ground black pepper to finish it off.